Attention intruder. You have entered the testing facility for a Blargian Snagglebeast. Chairman Alonzo Drek thanks you for your sacrifice.
Captain, did you know Drek's secret project was a Blargian Snagglebeast?
It is? I wonder why it wasn't in any of my intel. I was expecting something much less lethal. Don't worry. Just relax and remember what I taught you.
What did you teach me? Captain? Oh boy.
Initiating phase 1. Uploading ground pound protocol.
Look like you could do with a good killing. Flee before Mr. Zircon.
Initiate charge attack.
Have you been killed by Mr. Zircon?
We've lost control of the
Yet?
subject. Begin fire sweep protocol.
Mr. Zircon is...
Subject appears to be violently ticked off. Initiate cranial implant. Subject appears to have a fondness for falling into lava. Jim, let's boost the neurotransmitters and see if we can add a few IQ points to this dimwit. I yield! Please, don't hurt me!
Tell us what you, hang on.
Tell us what you know about Drek's plan.
Whoa. Thanks. Yeah, what he said.
I can give you this infobot.
You watch this one, pal. I'm just gonna take 5.